morning and welcome to another episode of Culterra's products. Today I'm going to show you how to use washed silica sand in a decorative way and also just discuss a few of its other uses. Right, so what I'm going to do, and you can do this in any area of your garden where you would like to create a cleaner space, a more modern look, or fill in between pavers. Silica sand is really diverse in terms of how you can use it in your garden. But some of the main features are it can improve soil aeration and drainage. So especially in heavy, dense, waterlogged clay type of soils, adding silica sand can improve the drainage, improve the soil quality, make it a little bit lighter, better for plants if you intend to plant there. Between pavers, it's really nice, keeps it clean near front door areas or off your patio. For pets, if you have dogs running in and out a lot, it's nice. Instead of having muddy paw prints everywhere, silica sand can keep those outdoor areas really clean. And then in terms of aesthetics, it looks really nice, especially in succulent gardens. And that's what I'm going to do today. So I've got this little succulent pot here. It needs to be spruced up slightly, so I've got a few additional succulents. I'm going to just plant them into here, and then we're going to top it all off with the decorative finish of silica sand. Let's get going. The base medium in my succulent pot is Culterra's succulent mix, which is perfect. I planted directly into it and I don't have to do anything else. I think that's enough. These guys are going to be much happier. They're going to grow quite well, so I don't want to overcrowd the pot. I'm going to leave it just like that, give them a little bit of a water, and then we'll top it off with the silica. Right, and then for the fun part, I'm just going to open this. I'm going to use a little pot. You can use any container. You just want to make it nice and neat, give it a very clean finish. Right, and there we have it. Our succulent pot, nice finish. I don't know if you can see that. Silica sand, giving it a really clean, aesthetically pleasing finish. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you have fun finishing off your garden with a decorative touch of Culterra's silica sand.